Hello guys, I'm going to be toning my natural hair to get rid of this orange. Come and see how it turns out. Okay, I've already washed and conditioned my hair. I'm just raking the conditioner through like I always normally do. I'm just giving you a little bit of preview of my texture. I've been natural since 2009 and I've cut my hair about 4 or 5 times. And this is my current length. Enjoy the video. Must wear these. Okay, I'm using an old glass bowl and I'm reading the directions. I'm just showing you should always read the directions. I'm just being goofy there. I used the 14 Wella toner and a 20 volume developer. This is my very first time to tone my hair. I've dyed it a gazillion times, but I've never had to really tone it because I would just usually dye it again. But I wasn't ready to do it, and I've just researched about the toner and decided to just give it a whirl. I was very tempted to do my magenta, with the L'Oreal high color, but I'm not ready for that yet. So I'm just going to continue to try to wear this blonde or honey blonde, whatever color blonde it is right now, just throughout the winter. And just wait to do the red in the summer. That way I can take care of my hair better. I'm just gonna start mixing it here, and then we will put it on. And put those gloves on, guys. It's imperative. This stuff burns. I know from experience. Continue this. I don't want to bore you guys with adding this on. I don't have a lot of hairs, but one bottle is going to be well more than enough. If I have any left over, I got a wig that I'm going to tone. I'm going to put it on that wig. Because I think I'll have some of this left. So it's quite a bit. Or I may just glob it all in my hair. I don't know. We'll see. Please wear gloves, guys, because I didn't wear gloves when I dyed my hair one time. But I was gonna have to go to the hospital. It hurt. So I'm just gonna continue this and then I'll be back. Okay, I have it all on this side, so I'm just gonna comb through really quickly. Try to anyway. Oh, I already see it starting to take effect. So let me do the other side, and I'll return. See a big difference. This is golden looking. This is orange. Bye-bye orange. I had to open the window because of the fumes and stuff, but honestly, my hair looks black. WTH. Like, I leave it on too long? It's only been like 20 minutes, literally. So I'm going to go ahead and wash it out because I'm going to count the time it took me to put it on. I'm just kind of nervous. I don't want my hair to be over processed. So I'm going to wash this out and I'll return. Moment of truth. And I advise you to have some neutralizing shampoo. What this does, I can kind of tell that the orange is gone. I'm gonna wash this out. Ta-da! This is what I ended up with. That dreadful orange is gone. I promise that color was getting on my nerves. But I just had it hidden underneath my braids. I'm just kind of showing you some lint there after I blow dried it. And I put a little bit of heat on it, and I just wore it in a ponytail, braided today. Pretty tan up here from postpartum. Okay, here I'm just sharing about my postpartum shedding that I had. It was basically no hair there, like my forehead is what I'm saying. So I'm using castor oil, and I have hemp seed oil that I'm going to quickly show, which is right here. And I'm not quite sure how this works. I haven't really used this before. I did a few researches on it. That's the consistency of it. It's very thick, just like castor oil. It smells really good. But hopefully by next summer or this coming summer, my hair will be fruitful again up there. Because I do love to wear my braids, my extensions in summer. And that's the castor oil I'm just showing. It's the same consistency. Different smell though. The hemp seed oil smells awesome. So I'm going to be doing this until the summer, and I'm also showing here that I just need to dust my ends. I'll do that later on. Don't really feel like doing it right now. I never honestly really know how much my hair has grown when I remove my protective styles, because I wear a lot of them. I'm going to leave my hair out for maybe 2 weeks, maybe until the beginning of the year, or I'm going to try just to let it breathe. Then I'm going to do some more crochets, or probably just do some single braids, box braids, I don't know. But I'm going to do a little protective style on the end of this video if you want to stay to the end and watch. This is how I will be wearing it, tension free. And I think the color turned out overall just fine. So continue to watch to the end and enjoy.